Hi guys, welcome you all to the Teapreneur Achievers Club. I have a very interesting person with me who's passionate about music, started this modern outlet brand, and we have Piyush who started this brand called Chai Mafia and has doubled his income and he's making more than 3 lakh per month in this business. Congratulations to you, Piyush. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate you. Thank you so much for joining this interview. Let's hear a success story from him. Hey Piyush, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm fine, sir, and we are doing good in our outlet and all things.
Thank you so much for joining the interview.
Yes, sir.
Tell us, Piyush, how many outlets do you have at the moment, and how much sales are you making?
Sir, actually, currently we have only one outlet,
Awesome.
and sir, we are planning more outlets in few years.
Great,
And sir, currently we are making per month approx 3 to 4 lakhs, sir,
awesome.
which is quietly good, and we are making so much plan to excel that margin also in the future as well. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. Great to know that you're making 3 to 4 lakhs from this one outlet that you've started, and also awesome to know that you're looking forward to launch many more outlets. Best wishes to
Yes,
that
sir.
initiative as well. Awesome. So tell us about yourself,
Yes,
Piyush,
sir.
so that people can understand about your background. How did you all started?
Yeah. So basically, I'm a software engineer. Okay, now. So
Awesome.
I I had been passed from my college in 2021, and
Great.
soon from there I came to know about the Chaikant founder, Mr. Suresh, that he is helping you open his business and things. And then I got connected with him, and he helped me so much in my journey that we are at that stage that we are running our profitable outlet. So basically, I'm from Chandigarh, okay, na Mohali, and our first outlet is at Kolkata. Okay, now this is only because our sister is there. So to run the outlet and manage the outlet, it is very well when your person is okay na nearby the place. That's why. So we are doing good, sir, and uh, thankful. I'm thankful, sir, to you that you helped me in this journey, and
Awesome.
I'm very much, sir, glad that you are helping others in this journey also. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Piyush. To summarize what Piyush said, so he started this outlet in Kolkata, and he has support of his family, and and they're doing really awesome when it comes to manpower, maintaining food cost, maintaining all of those standards, right? So without experience, without any background in this field, you've started, and what were the key learnings that you did that you took from me and from our community, Piyush? Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, yes, yes, sir. Sir, basically, there business kind of thing is very much a kind of thing which depends on the experience and all. That an individual have experience, prior experience or not. If you have not any kind of prior experience, then there may be a possibility that you will face some kind of hurdles in the journey.
Correct.
So basically, this cafe business is a kind of thing now which I don't know. I don't knew previously that what is the profit margin, what is are that kind of revenue channels, and what and how we are and how we can manage the workers and our employees. So basically, your course helped me a lot in this kind of enlightenment in all these specific areas. I and I learned very much from your course, because the management is a very much specific chapters in a field of business.
Correct.
So
Manpower,
because
managing the manpower.
yeah, very specific okay now skill is for any individual. If you know how to managing the people, then there is a chance that you will face some kind of hurdle.
Correct. Awesome, awesome. So as you said, you learned how to prepare those budget, how to maintain that food cost, how to design the menu, and how to manage the manpower. So without experience, you were able to master these skills and then implement that at your outlet. So that's what I understand from your this thing. Awesome,
Yes, sir.
awesome. So why do you think a structured mentorship will help you progress for anybody for that matter? Help someone goals progress their goals faster. Why do you think a structured mentorship is required? Because a lot of people, you also mentioned me that a lot of people think that, you know, even people without or with experience, they think, okay, I know to make tea, which means that I can successfully run a modern tea outlet. So a lot of people have this perception, but you said you need to have a structured mentorship. So tell us about what is the need to have a structured mentorship.
Sir, structure balance is very important in if you are doing something new that 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 you don't have any kind of prior experience, because the the failure aspects of that kind of thing is very much large if you don't know that thing. So if
Correct.
you so if you plan your business with the structural thing, then there is a high kind of probability that you will be in a right path. But if you try yourself, and there is a chance that you will be successful, but it takes a lot of time
Time and
to figure out what kind of thing is good, what kind of thing is bad.
correct.
So it is very good to to go with a kind of mentorship from any in any kind of field. If you are doing something, so first you have to take the mentorship, invest in yourself, then only the further path will be resolved. Because nowadays business is a very complex thing
Correct.
to do.
Correct.
That's why structural
Awesome.
thing is very important nowadays.
Great page. So to summarize that, you said a structured mentorship, a support system from a mentor
Yeah,
can help
very
you
important.
save a lot of time, effort, money, and of course figure out your model, figure out your path towards success faster, so that you can avoid a lot of
Exactly.
mistakes. Because basically, as you said, they can help you in figuring out what need not to be done. Right, that's very important in any business.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So awesomely put, Piyush. So, what is the vision and goal for your brand, Piyush? Tell us about it.
Sir, this. I'm planning to make this brand pan India on pan India level,
Great,
but it may take time of a kind a few years, but I will surely make it happen. I am on the and figuring out new challenges every day, so that I can make the path very clear. So sir, I'm planning
great, great.
very much.
Great. Awesome. So, being a working professional, a lot of people wanted to create another additional consistent source of income. So, you are a working professional. You made it happen today, right? You still work for an organization, but still you figured this out and you've made it as another additional source of income. So, what would be your suggestion for people like you who are trying to create another source of income?
See sir, if you are doing some kind of business earlier, or if you are in a kind of job, and if you want to expand your side income, then you have to first think that is there any kind of your brother or sister or any kind of your support system is there or not. then only then only you can take this path. because
Right.
if you because if you are okay now doing your job, private job or government job, and you also want to be in a kind of business, then and if you don't have any kind of support system in
Support
your family,
system. Okay.
yeah,
Right. So,
then it will be so much okay now difficult. But if you have a kind of support system in your family, that if you are into job or something else and your family members will be take care of all your okay now business thing, okay now a kind of operational things,
correct.
and you just have to plan the whole system, and all the operations is being managed by your the the support system.
Support
then
system.
only then only then only please choose this path. Otherwise, do one thing at a time, because you are a human, you are not a robot. So
Correct.
okay now, so think practically and do practically.
Nice, nice, nice. So I often tell this. So you can still do it as a side hustle and make it consistent income opportunity. But provided you need to
Yeah,
find someone who's trustworthy, where
yeah, yeah.
they can take care of the operations and you can take care of the back end. Right? Greatly, greatly put. I
And
one of the
always
clear
hire your
foundations.
and sir, one thing more, and always hire the employee by taking proper interview. Because if any kind of negative element will be into your organization, and you have to pay a lot of price in the past, in upcoming few months of because of that very element. So hire the manpower by taking proper interview, so that your organization have a certain kind of positive thing.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome, awesome, Page. And what are your suggestions for upcoming teapreneurs in the space, Piyush? For people who'd like to start a business like this, what are your suggestions?
So I would like to tell them that first of all, invest in yourself by taking someone guidance. Okay, now then then only decide your okay now hard and the capital that someone want to invest in their business. Then go slowly. Don't make a hurry to open a kind of thing, and then open a kind of thing, and then open a kind of thing, and and you will totally mess up if you
Correct.
are going to do this way. Okay now, so sir, my suggestion is only that believe in yourself, invest in yourself, and go slowly. You have a kind of bright future. All people are going with this kind of successfulness or business owning thing. You can also do it. Invest in yourself, and
Invest in
and
yourself. So you
chase
mean to
your
say
dream
that
for.
invest in yourself, learn, upgrade themselves,
Yeah.
prepare a proper project plan, then they may look at starting this. So awesome, awesome thought. So
Mhm.
it
Yes.
all starts with the foundation. So if you have the right foundation, yes, on the
Yeah.
top
Yeah.
you can build it. Great, great thought.
Yes.
So
Yes.
another question: there are a lot of existing deepreneurs in the space. Some of them would have already started. Some of them were finding it difficult to run it. Might be low sales or managing people, or some kind of difficulties, right? So, what are your suggestions to them? What should they, if they have done something wrong and if they wanted to redo certain things? What are your suggestions?
So first of all, I would like to tell now the tea business is a very classic thing. Because everyone is doing right now. So you have to make something okay now a kind of different look like. You are selling a tea, and if you are selling your tea at 5 rupees or at 10 rupees at the outlet, then there is a chance that there is no are no kind of difference that everyone selling the tea in at 10 rupees, and
Correct.
and you are also selling the tea at 10 rupees. So according to the the nearby audience, that what kind of audience or the population you have nearby your business,
You meant to say the
plan
target
your,
customers.
yeah, plan your menu pricing first, so that it it should be look like a, a royal product.
Correct.
Sell your tea, sell your tea at that price, because by selling the tea you have to to manage all the per month expenditure. So just think and plan and go. That's the
Awesome.
thing, sir.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much, Piyush, for all that
Yes,
input.
sir.
It's definitely a pleasure, and it will definitely inspire a lot of people from your story. Thank you so much for joining. All the best. Looking forward to see you opening
Yes, sir.
multiple outlets in the near short term.
Yes, sir.
Looking forward.
I will surely
Thank you
call
so
you,
much.
sir.
Definitely, I will.
I will
I will
surely
drop.
welcome you there, sir.
Definitely, I will come down for the inauguration. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
All
you.
the best, Piyush.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.